Introduction to Physics. So Introduction to Physics is a course or study that provides the overview of the fundamental principles and concepts in the field of physics. So in physics, there are a lot of examples.
Mechanics. So this deals with motion of objects and also forces that acting upon them. The second example is energy. So the study of energy involves understanding different forms of energy, especially conservation principles, and how energy transfers and forms in the physical system.
So, let's tackle about work, energy, and power. First of all, I will discuss you the work. In physics, work is done when you apply force to an object to move it through a distance. For example, I saw a bag on the ground, so I'm going to exert force to lift it up like this. So, I'm doing it work. Second one is energy. So energy is a capacity to do work. It exists in a various forms such as potential, kinetic, and thermal, and etc. So this motorcycle has a kinetic energy due to its motions. So the last one is power. So power is amount of energy transferred or converted per unit time. So for example, if you climb these stairs quickly like this, and the other me climbing the stairs slowly like this, you might have more power because you did the same amount of energy, which is lifting your body against the gravity in a less of time.
Heat and temperature. So, heat is a type of energy resulting from the movement of substance. It flows from hotter to colder until thermal equilibrium is reached. Heat transfer occurs to mechanism. First is convection, second is conduction, third is radiation. Temperature measured in units of like Celsius, Fahrenheit. Quantities is the average kinetic energy particles in a system. For example, sunlight, like this sunny day. The sun's ray transfer to heat Earth's surface. As a result, the temperature air in the ground increases, leading to warmer weather.
Today, we're diving into the exciting world of forces and motion. Imagine a world where everything stays still. No running, no jumping, nothing moving. Sounds dull, right?
Motion is when something moves from one place to another, while forces causes things to move. Forces are pushes and pulls that can make an object start moving, stop moving, or change how they are moving. Imagine kicking this bottle. The forces from your foot makes it move. And what about stopping? Friction causes things to stop. And friction is a force that resists motion. Like when I slide this rock across the floor. See? It will eventually stop because of friction. Forces can change how fast we move. The stronger the force applied, the faster the change in motion. So, are there forces we can see? Indeed, gravity is an invisible force pulling objects towards each other, keeping us grounded on Earth. Like when I drop this bottle. As you can see, the gravity pulls the bottle downward. Forces and motion are all around us, from the planets orbiting the sun to the swing at the park. Understanding them help us unravel the mysteries of our dynamic world.
What is kinematics? Kinematics is a branch of physics that deals with the motion of objects. Without considering the forces that cause motion, it involves the concepts such as position, velocity, and acceleration. The motorcycle motion, the velocity function describes how the position changes with the time, and the acceleration function describes how the velocity changes with the time.